Danny brought us his Civic Type R when it was bone stock. We took the car from 272 wheel horsepower and 312 wheel torque to 310 wheel horsepower and 364 wheel torque by adding an AFE intake, AFE catted downpipe, and a tune using the Hondata Flash Pro on 91 Octane. The car is now back for a PRL intercooler install along with a PRL Catless Downpipe and some 94 Octane in the tank, and today we find out what the car will make on our dyno. So guys, we're back on our Honda Civic Type R right now. This is the one that we tuned previously with catted downpipes, intake. We did the radiator on it, we did some springs on it, and then we did the initial Hondata tune, and then we did a couple versions of that tune to see what we could squeeze out of the car as is. We did mention last time that we thought a intercooler would make quite a big difference because the tuning and the timing is based off of the air temperatures. So lowering the air temperatures with an intercooler is definitely going to help us out a lot. Also, the car is running 94 Octane now, so that's definitely a plus. We want the most octane and knock resistance that we can get to run the most timing we can get to make the most power. So this is the PRL intercooler. Over here is our stock intercooler. You can see that there's quite a thickness difference on the cores. And these end tanks are actually beautiful. They're CNC machined and welded over here versus the plastic ones that are just kind of crimped in place over here. It's a big step up. The installation for the intercooler was simple. It's a direct swap at the core, and we managed to do it without even taking the bumper off. So here's the downpipe that we're replacing the one that we have in the car with. This one is a Catless unit, and this one's from PRL. Really similar to the one that we have in there now, just no cap. After getting the new PRL Catless downpipe on, we handed it over to OnPoint Dyno once again to tune with the Hondata Flash Pro. With 94 octane gas, PRL intercooler, PRL Catless downpipe, and Takeda intake, the car picked up 69 horsepower and 46 pound-feet of torque at the wheels over the stock baseline. So the Civic Type R is now all done on the dyno. It made really good numbers. Pretty impressive indeed. These cars definitely stand to make a lot with an intercooler, the right gas, and some other bolt-on mods, so we're really impressed with it. And I think that it's going to be a really cool platform and performer. So if you own a Civic Type R, definitely hit us up. It's well worth your money to get it on the dyno.